Have you ever pondered what keeps the universe in balance and why everything doesn't simply fall apart? At the heart of every event, from the dance of atoms to the spirals of galaxies, lie four fundamental forces of nature. These forces, like invisible puppet masters, dictate the behavior of everything in existence. They are the unsung heroes that ensure the universe as we know it continues to exist. So what are these forces? How do they affect us and everything around us? Today we unveil the mystery behind the four forces of nature. Imagine an apple falling from a tree. What makes it fall? The answer is gravity. This seemingly simple force, so familiar to us on Earth, plays an extraordinary role in the cosmos. It's gravity that binds us to our planet, ensuring we don't float away into the vast expanse of space. Beyond our earthly confines, gravity is the cosmic glue that holds the universe together. It keeps the moon in orbit around the Earth around the sun, and the sun within our Milky Way galaxy. Yet it doesn't stop there. Gravity is also the great sculptor of the universe, pulling clouds of dust and gas together to form stars and drawing stars into galaxies. So while gravity may be the weakest of the four fundamental forces, its reach is truly astronomical. Despite its relative weakness, it shapes galaxies, guides the paths of planets, and holds the universe in its celestial dance. Gravity, the weakest yet most influential force, governs the structure of the universe. Why doesn't your hand pass through a table? The answer lies in the force of electromagnetism. Imagine the world as a cosmic dance of particles, each moving to the rhythm of forces unseen. One of these unseen forces is electromagnetism. It's the force that acts between charged particles, both attracting and repelling them as if in a carefully choreographed ballet. At the atomic level, electromagnetism is the lead dancer. It's the reason why electrons orbit the nucleus of an atom, like planets circling the sun, but it doesn't just stop there. Electromagnetism also underlies the very interactions between atoms, preventing them from simply passing through each other. Yes, that's right. The reason your hand doesn't pass through a table is largely due to the electromagnetic forces at play between the atoms in your hand and the atoms in the table. So next time you flip a light switch or use your smartphone, remember the unsung hero, the electromagnetic force that's working behind the scenes. Electromagnetism, the force that makes life possible and lights up our world. Scene script: why does the sun shine? The answer lies in the strong and weak nuclear forces. Let's start with the strong nuclear force. This is a titan among forces, one that glues the atomic nuclei together. It's a bit like a microscopic superglue, binding protons and neutrons into a tight-knit family within an atom's nucleus, and it's incredibly strong, hence the name, but it's also incredibly shy, only showing its strength at very, very close range. Now let's turn our attention to the weak nuclear force. Don't let the name fool you. It plays a vital role in the universe, being responsible for radioactive decay. It's the author of an atomic metamorphosis, converting neutrons into protons, and in the process, emitting radiation. While it may not have the Herculean strength of its sibling, the weak nuclear force is the conductor of this atomic ballet, overseeing the transformation of matter in the universe. Both these forces play their parts on the cosmic stage, but nowhere are their roles more crucial than in the heart of our sun and other stars. The strong nuclear force holds the sun's atomic nuclei together, while the weak nuclear force governs the fusion process, turning hydrogen into helium and releasing the energy that makes the sun shine. The strong and weak nuclear forces, the unseen heroes powering our stars and our world. These four forces, though invisible to our eyes, shape our universe and our existence. They are the silent architects of reality, the unseen hands that mold and guide the cosmos. First we have gravity, the force that keeps our feet firmly planted on the ground, and the planets in their celestial paths. Then there's electromagnetism, responsible for the light we see, the heat we feel, and the technology we so depend on. Lastly, we have the strong and weak nuclear forces. The strong nuclear force binds the very atoms together, while the weak nuclear force, though elusive, is vital for the sun's radiant energy. Each force, distinct yet interconnected, plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of the universe. They are the threads in the cosmic tapestry, weaving together the fabric of existence. The universe, a symphony of forces, continues its dance, and we, as curious observers, strive to understand this cosmic ballet.